Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the game and inputting the starting score. This matters because scoring method changes. Once set, establish player order and hand the first 3 darts to the active player. You mark each dart as it lands, doing so prevents math errors later. Make sure to update the running total after every turn, subtracting the turn sum from the player's score. If you use a digital board, tap Results. If manual, write legibly to avoid disputes later. Once you reach mid-game, keep totals clear by using a 2-line format. Name above, remaining score below because visual clarity speeds decisions. You total each turn by summing singles, doubles, and triples. This reduces mistakes, then subtract immediately. For cricket, maintain a separate column and cross marks as you hit 1/3/6. That way you avoid recounting. Make sure to announce updated scores aloud after each turn. This keeps everyone synced and prevents argument when stakes get tight. You finish by confirming the required checkout and aiming for the correct double. Knowing the finish reduces wasted throws. Once a player reaches an achievable checkout, state the target so everyone understands. If totals look wrong, resolve disputes by replaying recorded turns step by step from the last agreed total. This systematic recount usually finds the error. Make sure to take a quick photo of the board or scoreboard app as a backup. This often settles disagreements and keeps the session moving without interruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.